Hello, and welcome to the Theatrical Talk. This brief introduction will guide you through a little routine designed to smash whatever fear of public speaking you may have. Your mouth, tongue, cheeks will be worked thoroughly. Your confidence will soar, shipshape for speechifying and, if you're lucky, theatre making. This commission is after all supposed to be a talk. Might as well move that masseter muscle and see where that might get us. Perhaps even kickstart the creative juices again and unblock that writing blockage. But more on that later. Do something completely different, trick the mind, coax the muse as it were. Let's start with a good stretch and yawn. Like a kitty cat, stretch that body out. Stretch it up, up, up. Spiral that spine, move those digits around. Now, on to the lemon and the goldfish. For the lemon face, imagine that you're biting down on a very sour lemon. Scrunch that face tight. For the goldfish face, picture a startled fish, eyes wide open, tiny pursed mouth. Alternate to get that whole face working. Lemon, goldfish, lemon, goldfish, lemon, goldfish, lemon, goldfish. Great. On to the masseter muscle. We hold a lot of tension in the jaw, and that's bad for a number of reasons I don't know, but I do know there are reasons. If you bite down on your teeth, you'll feel two muscles pop in the lower half of your cheeks. Congratulations, you found the masseter muscle. Now massage that muscle in circular motions by using your fingers. Really work that jaw by interlacing your fingers palm to palm in front of your chest. Your arms should be bent at the elbow at 90 degrees. Drop your jaw, loosen your shoulders. You don't want any tension there. Keep your whole posture firm and only move your forearms up and down. Shake, shake, shake. Moving on to the mouth and the tongue. In keeping with the circular motions, you're now going to wake up the inside of the mouth by running your tongue above your teeth in one big circle. Keep circling. Let's wake up the lips now. Blow raspberries. Roll. Roll. Blow. Focus on your mouth. Focus on your tongue. Focus on your posture. Focus on your breath. Focus. Take a deep breath. And center yourself. You're now ready to talk, more or less. On playwriting, mostly. I often think that, and there it is, the rub, I mean, how to circumvent the I. It's recently occurred to me that all the characters I write are somewhat versions of me, even the ones that should have absolutely nothing to do with me, and that writing, including writing this and